Good night. My name is Luz Miriam Vargas Melo, Activity 3. 1. What have you done to make believe that the SGD is not and have made company? 2. How do you create this company and believe it taking into account the needs of the company? 3. How this company is done and really on the rules of file organization. 4. How does this help the company? It lets you down what documents you have and where. 5. To own this company and reviews, the secretaries are the main beneficiaries. 6. How this company paying down through virtual information and the downtime. 7. What is your super guide with the company for the camping? It gives us time in the space to carry it out. 8. How the control if the works, audit of the progress are made. 9. How do you have fed this work? Very wonderful, you learn and a lot. And tip 4, well, take advantage of the training, spice the province in the companies. Thank you.